Hi, in this issue let's consider the topic of security and decide which antivirus can be installed on computer. There will be both paid and free options, and you will also see how a particular antivirus can be installed on your computer. Support this video with your comments, press pause and write do you have an antivirus, and if so, which one. And then let's start looking for the best one to protect your PC. The first thing we will consider is which antivirus is the best. Let's use official sources and look at the AV test site. This is an IT security institute that analyzes and tests antiviruses, and there is a rating. Now we have a general rating of popular antiviruses for December 2021 for home use, and 3 columns: protection, performance and convenience. I'll leave the link in the description. Compare, especially if a lot of time will pass. For each antivirus there is more detailed information, and if you sort the list by protection, you see that many have the highest rating, and really there is no big difference in protection. But comparing the rest of the ratings, we can see a list of the best. These are Avira, Bulgard, Asset, F-Secure, G-Data, Kaspersky, McAfee, Microsoft Defender built into Windows, Norton 360 and Viper. The list is very large, and these antiviruses will work fine on your PC. Not all of them are free, but here I want to highlight Microsoft Antivirus, the one that is already in your Windows, if it is of course licensed and activated. If we look at detailed information about it, we will see that in December Microsoft closed all security holes and protected 100% from known viruses. In performance, this antivirus slows down websites and programs less than many others. Only according to this indicator, there is slowdown in the installation of frequently used programs. It checks them, and therefore the installation slows down. But it doesn't seem to bother us too much. In convenience, everything is also good. There are no false positives. One false warning was recorded during the installation of programs. If we compare Microsoft Defender, for example, with Avira, which is also in the top, the default antivirus even surpasses Avira in protection and performance. So the first conclusion that can be drawn is that if you have activated Windows 8, 10 or 11, which receives security updates, you can be calm about protecting yourself from viruses. Just make sure that you do not allow them to act on your PC manually. If you want to use a third-party antivirus, which one should you choose? You can choose any of those with high marks. I would note Kaspersky, Asset and Avira antiviruses. They have been on the market for many years and always stay in the top. What if you need a free antivirus? There are some in this list too. More precisely, some have free and more advanced paid versions, but free ones will protect well. For example, in this list you can see the best free options. Kaspersky also has a free version. You can download them through internet search. Just write the name of the antivirus, the word free and the word download. Now I will show you how to download and install the one that is better, for example Avira. But before that, let's see if you already have Microsoft Antivirus enabled. Then maybe you don't need anything else. On the taskbar right here, near the clock, we can find such an icon in the form of a shield. This is Microsoft Antivirus. Press left mouse button, and in the section of settings we can manage the antivirus. If there is a green check mark here, then you have protection against viruses. If not, you may need to turn it on. Click on the icon. We are looking for antivirus protection settings. Click here and turn it on. Also make sure that your Windows is activated and receiving updates. This can be done through the settings, update and security section. Okay, we figured out the built-in Defender. Let's try to install a third-party antivirus. This can come in handy when something points to viruses and the built-in antivirus doesn't react. Follow the link in the description and download Avira. Accept the terms of the installer, and while it is being installed, it adds browser extensions that can increase security. Here is password protection, purchases and a web filter. You can allow them to be installed, and if you wish, go to additional tools of your browser. I have Google Chrome, extensions and disable them. When the installation is complete, Avira offers to scan your PC for security. And a pleasant surprise for the free version, it is scanned not only for viruses. It checks for new versions of your soft, because old ones can be vulnerable to attacks. Very useful system privacy settings, here you can choose which to disable. And there is also a monitor for your email leaks to unwanted databases. Add is cleanup, auto-run and registry function to speed up your PC. Excellent features, I recommend this antivirus to you. By the way, I didn't find any viruses on this computer, which indicates the ability of the default Microsoft Defender to protect it. These two antiviruses do not conflict with each other. What about performance? As you can see for yourself, it checks quickly, and in the background, all Avira processes take no more than 200 MB of RAM. It seems that we have answered the question of which antiviruses you can choose and how to install them. What do you think about which antivirus is better, built into Windows or third-party? Write your opinion in the comments and share this video with your friends so that they can keep their PC protected. Watch other videos on your channel, there are many more useful tips on using a computer and the internet. See you on the air!